Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage a game player profile within the ERP system. Proper player profile management helps maintain accurate player records, organize gaming activities, and improve overall user management within the platform. In this session, you will learn how to add a new player by entering their personal details and creating their profile successfully. Let's get started. Scroll down and click on Game Zone, or search for Game Zone using the search bar. Select Games Players from the drop-down menu to open the Game Player Management section, where player profiles can be created, viewed, and managed within the system. Use the Create button to begin the process of adding and registering a new game player within the system. Select the first and last name input field and input the player's first name and last name. Proceed by entering the player's email address and contact number in the required fields to complete their contact information. Use the Age field to enter and specify the player's age as part of their profile information. Here, you can input the player's address details. Use this section to enter and manage the player's address details for accurate profile and contact information within the system. Once you've entered all the required details, click Create to save the new game player profile. You've now seen how to create and manage a game player on the ERP. We hope this tutorial helps improve your workflow and makes your experience within the platform more efficient. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.